Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline. I am a mother to 1-year-old Ellis and a wife to Sean. Here he is. And today we're doing a Stitch Fix haul, but not for me, for Sean. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's basically a personal shopper experience online. You fill out a big questionnaire on the website and then they will send you some clothes. I think it's 5 pieces of clothes, can vary from shoes to t-shirts to coats to all sorts. Sean has done this once before. He hated everything and sent it all back, so we'll see how this goes.
I didn't realise that there's a letter from the stylist in here.
Neither did I.
So when I first got it, I opened it, I thought no one's paid attention to what I picked online, that was a waste of my time, and packed it up and
sent it back.
Yeah, pretty much within the hour. But
it costs £10 to do Stitch Fix. We'll leave a referral code below if you wanted to give it a go. Then click the link and you will get your first box sent to you for free. Obviously, if you like any of the things in the box, you pay for them, but you do get a discount to keep all 5. I am yet to have kept all 5 items whenever I do a Stitch Fix. So let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
What song's that from? What's in the... Is that like a...
It's out of the box.
Oh yeah, out of the box. Ooh, no shoes for you.
No shoes,
You don't need shoes anyway. Happy New Year. I hope you are well and had a lovely Christmas break. I'm excited to begin this journey with you. Once you've had a chance to try everything on, do let me know what you think. Your feedback of what you do and don't love and why will help me perfect each fix for you as we go along. From someone called Scarlett, so we'll have to send her a personalised letter back.
Send her some flowers.
Right, open the stuff, take the stuff. Here we go.
This is how it arrives.
Oh, it's all very dark and grey, nothing bright and colourful.
Always. I definitely pick some of the more colourful things. But
here we go. We'll try everything on. I say we. Sean will try everything on, and we'll show that as well. But what do we have first? I'll keep my coffee away.
This is a shirt.
That's quite nice.
Which is definitely my style.
Yeah.
So that's good.
And dark grey El Shirto. Don't put my makeup on it.
I'm nervous I'm going to have to keep everything. I'll be poor. This is a jumper which I don't like.
Do you not like it?
I hate this kind of style.
What's wrong with it?
These.
Why don't you like that?
Because they rise up.
Rise up.
And then they get all balloony.
Balloony, so you have puffed sleeves. You don't want to do puffed. So you don't. But you never know. If you try it on, you might like it.
I'll try it on, yeah.
Yes, you will try it on. You try everything on, my friend. That's nice.
From like
first
this.
instance. 3-toned jumper.
It's quite nice.
That's nice.
Need a new jumper. I'm a bit of a sucker for jumpers.
You are.
Even though
That's quite nice as well, isn't it? It's a bit different to a usual jersey style jumper that you have. That's good. Scarlett's done well so far.
She has.
What's this? Another jumper. Goodness me.
That's actually quite nice.
And some grey trousers. What do you do those cropped trousers? Ankle swingers.
Slim fit, grey trousers. Which, I mean, they're not bad.
They're not too bad. We'll see what they look like on. You haven't got any grey trousers, have you?
No.
You've only got
I've
jeans.
only got like 2 pairs of jeans. The thing about me is I don't like spending money on clothes.
No, well, I don't either. Hate spending money on clothes. Right, now we're going to try everything on. Jeans. Jeans are on. What do you think?
They're actually not bad.
I mean, your t-shirt is your actual average t-shirt. Nothing
Yeah.
fancy there.
They're a good fit.
This is disappointing. Usually you're very critical, but unfortunately Scarlett's done a good job and you seem to actually like everything. They're quite nice.
Yeah. They're probably about £900.
Yeah, we haven't looked at the price yet. Turn around to see that tushy.
But, I mean...
Happy.
They're not mind-blowing. They're...
Well, jeans never are.
No. But they're nice. They're not too thick. They're not like jeans. I don't know what to say. I'm not a stylist.
Trying on the ribbed blue one. You usually have lots of ones like that are from H&M, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
So
it's a good length as well. Well, thanks, Scarlett.
so far so good. That label at your back looks really good. This one's nice as well. Just everything's the same colour. That is my one criticism.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if there were some like more vibrant colours in there. That's very dad-like.
Isn't it? Hi, I have a 1-year-old. I'm off to the park. A bit too long.
Yeah, but
I'm not one of those people. I just can't live my life like this.
You can roll it up.
Yeah, I know, but then I might as well get a jumper that fits. Not a fan of this jumper.
Really, just because of the long sleeves?
Yeah, look at that. Hi.
Stop you having to wear gloves.
Well, it's length of one leg. Yeah, knew it.
What?
I hate it.
This one?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to have ballooned arms. Another jumper.
Fitting. It really clings to all of my COVID weight. Yeah, I hate these jumpers because I feel like the only time they don't keep you warm, so there's function that doesn't exist with these things, and I feel like they're only for people that wear shirts a lot, that don't wear a vest.
Would you wear a shirt underneath it?
No.
So what? Yeah, it makes you look a bit feminine at the wrist.
Does it? After one wash, these would start to curl and get really annoying. No.
Thing is, though, is this shirt is that you have nowhere to wear a shirt to. COVID.
That's my issue. It's a nice fit, but my current attire has been
Comfies.
comfies.
Same as everyone else working from home.
Exactly. So this would go in. I've got many shirts like this in my wardrobe already
Drop.
that are currently hung up. But it is a good fit.
Yeah, it's nice. It's got but I do like the colour, although obviously you wouldn't wear with these jeans. That's a whole lot of grey going on. But yeah, it is a nice shirt. But yeah, it's a bit pointless.
Still, COVID weight.
Do a spin.
Ooh, that's it. I'm not going.
Well, this video is going to be short and sweet, isn't it? Because we're whizzing through everything.
I did expect this to be a fail like last time. If only we filmed it.
Well, just you sat on the sofa bitching about the clothes you've got. Right, let's see the cost of everything. So the jeans are £48, which isn't too bad.
No.
For jeans, I would say for good quality jeans, that's not too shabby.
They feel alright.
So this jumper here,
the one I dislike.
Sean doesn't like it, and that one that's kind of green. That's not green.
That is green.
That's black.
It's green. It's like
Hold that up.
It's like a very dark green.
I mean, that's black. That's hardly green.
It's green. I'm a designer, I know.
That's not green. Is that green?
This is...
Is this green? This is green.
There are more than one green.
This is green. That's not green, it's black.
This is a black t-shirt.
That is not green. If I said to you what colour was that, you would have said black. Only because I said green.
No,
the reason you said
I
it was
got it
green.
out and I thought it was green.
It's not green.
I dislike this colour green as well.
It's not green.
I'm not from Sherwood Forest.
This is green. Where is it? That's green.
There's more than one green.
This is not green. Have I gone colourblind? That's not green.
You've gone colourblind.
That is not green.
It's green.
It's not green, it's black.
It's green. You can't see it because the light's washing it out, but it's green.
Yeah, you can't see it because it's not green. Anyway, that black jumper is £39.
In the box
No,
it goes.
thank you. And then the colour block, the big jumper.
The fisherman one.
Which is navy. Yes, it is navy,
Yeah,
with colours in it.
navy
It's not green.
With grey.
£65, which is a bit pricey, I think, for a jumper that has... So the jeans we've said are £48. The Ottoman textured stripe crew
here we go.
neck,
The one I like the most is going to be the most expensive.
£40. So not too bad.
Okay, fine.
Do you know what is the most expensive? The shirt.
No way.
The shirt is the most expensive. Thank God you don't need it. Jesus. £70. £70 for a shirt.
Like, I mean...
That's
no.
unnecessary, isn't it? Why would you spend £70 on a shirt?
Organic
it's organic,
cotton.
yeah.
I mean, realistically, you can get a shirt similar, which I have got from Uniqlo. Maybe not organic, but half the price.
I've always said this though about things like that. With organic stuff, I had it in my Stitch Fix I put up last week. There was a pair of jeans in there which were like really eco-friendly, really sustainable, and it had like you could scan the QR code and see where they came from and everything like that. And they were really nice, but they were £89. And it's like, I'm not spending £89 on these jeans. I don't care how well they're made. And that's what bothers me, because I'm like, if you want people to be more sustainable, lower the price of things, because not everyone can afford these stupid expensive things.
Yeah, and I get it.
That's why people go to Primark.
It's like a catch-22, isn't it? Like, you need to spend money to make these things sustainable, but then people don't want to pay what it's cost to make it.
People spend more money on fast fashion because it's cheap.
Yeah.
If you want people to stop buying fast fashion, you have to lower the cost of things.
They need to find a way to lower the cost.
It's not for everyone. I just think it's nah. So £70 that shirt, out of principle, I wouldn't let you buy that even if you could. So the total price, if we were to buy everything, it would be £262. But if you were to buy everything, you get 20% discount. The total would be £209.60. Oh, but then you have £15 credit because you use a referral code. So the overall total will be £194.60. Which...
This is why I don't like spending a lot of money on clothes, because that is a lot of money. I would never go out and go, I need a shirt, I'm going to go buy £70.
Well, are you going to keep anything?
I really like this. The
jumper.
The ribbed sweatshirt or whatever it's called. I'm not sure about the jeans.
Why? You're still wearing them?
I am still wearing them. But, I mean, I like them. I might get the jeans as well.
What do you think? Do you think Sean should keep anything else? Do you think he should buy the £70 shirt? So the total of the jeans and the jumper, and minusing the £15 credit for the referral fee, the total will be £73, which is not too bad for two things like that, realistically.
Well, I mean, two things that aren't going to, hopefully, or that will last, basically.
It will last, yeah. Anyway, that is our men's Stitch Fix. Like I said, last time Sean had a lot to say because he hated everything and it was quite funny. This time, Scarlett, the stylist, has done quite well, so Sean is not too distressed. I
think the seasons help. Like, I like jumpers and jeans. Last time it was very...
I can't even remember it. I know you got loads of shirts and you were furious.
Yeah.
I think Sean, he's in love with this jumper. He might go marry it.
I will.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have liked this video, please do leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow Instagram. What else?
All of the above.
Share with your friends, share it on WhatsApp to your mum and your dad and your brother and your sister. And like I say, if you do want to try Stitch Fix, Sean will leave his referral link below so you get £15 off your first box. If you do it, just be sure that you select if you want a male or a female box on that referral page, because Sean nearly made the mistake and had a woman's box sent to him. Which would have made for an absolutely great video. You look so great in a nice pink frock. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we all will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.